Hi friends, here we have a shloka about teams and team leaders. We all know about teams. We have seen these football teams, we have seen basketball teams or cricket teams and various types of teams. So there are some team members and there is a team leader. So the team members usually follow the instructions or guidance of the team leader. Suppose every team member is independent, every team member feels very high, every team member feels, no, this fellow doesn't know anything, I know better. So he doesn't listen to whatever is the overall plan. What happens? But there is an overall plan. That overall plan is handled by the team leader. And then if these members of the team, they do not act properly, what will happen? That team will be defeated. So that is what is the shloka. So this is about team spirit. So let us see this. Sarve yatra vinetaraha.
Sarve yatra vinetaraha.
Sarve panditamaninaha.
Sarve panditamaninaha.
Sarve mahatvamichanti.
Sarve mahatvamichanti.
Tad brundam avasidati.
Tad brundam avasidati.
You see, any team, if it has to succeed, there should be a leadership. That leadership has to be obeyed by all other people. There is a saying in English, he who can obey can rule. You must have heard it. He who can obey can rule. So a person should start as a good team member and then he should give results as a very good team member, as a very good participant, and then slowly he himself will become the team leader. Naturally he will become the team leader. If he is not a good team member, he can't be a good team leader also. So that is a very, very natural thing. So a healthy, say, team member is somebody who doesn't display his own ego. He doesn't display his own ego. He falls in line with whatever are the guidance or guidelines given. So we see that even thieves or robbers, suppose there is a gang of thieves. Even among the gang of thieves, even among the gang of robbers, there is a team leader. So the team leader, they may not be trusting completely, but still they do obey a team leader. They do obey some, even the robber gang, there is a leader there. So only then they will succeed, otherwise they will fail. So we will see this shloka, we see this thing, Sarve yatra vinetaraha. You know the word neta. Neta means a leader. It is from the root naya. Naya means to lead. Nayaka, the word nayaka comes from that. Neta comes from that. Vinetar, neta, netarav, netaraha is the plural. Netaraha. Yes, all people want to become leaders. Vinetaraha. V is only an upasarga. That is, all people want to be great leaders there. Sarve vinetaraha. Then again, sarve panditamaninaha. Panditamani is somebody who thinks himself to be very highly brilliant. Pandita. Pandita means what? Pandita is a scholar. Panditamani is somebody who thinks himself to be a scholar. Everybody in the team, they think themselves to be scholars. Suppose there is some sort of some brainstorming session. If there is a group and that a team is given some activity, suppose, all activities nowadays are done by teams only, not by individuals. So there is a team leader, and they are all sitting for a brainstorming session, let us say. This brainstorming session is something where you have to just openly present your ideas in a very frank manner, accept other people's ideas in a very frank manner, without any intention to show your ego, without any intention to show your high knowledge, etc. Your knowledge is naturally presented, but then your intention is not to, say, aggrandize yourself or to dominate the discussion, etc. It is basically to arrive at the truth, what is the best course of action. So that is what we have to see there in a meeting. Suppose everybody feels, oh, what I say alone is right. Panditamani, you see. Panditamani is somebody who thinks, yeah, I am alone the small scholar. All other people, this fellow doesn't know anything. So that is the attitude of a Panditamani. So here, sarve panditamaninaha. Then sarve mahatvamichanti. Mahatvam means leadership, greatness. Mahan means great, isn't it? Mahatvam means that status of being great. Sarve mahatvamichanti. Everybody wants to be the leader. So if everybody wants to be the leader, what will happen to the team? Tad brundam. Brundam means team. Tad brundam avasidati. It collapses. Avasidati is again a beautifully used verb here. That is, it collapses. Avasidati, see, falls down, so that it collapses. So, sir, this is the picture about a good team and leadership. So, this is about, say, how a manager has to talk about the group goals, and then the group goals have to be kept in mind, and there is a need for the individual to fall in line with the group goals. So, this is the shloka. We will read it again. Sarve yatra vinetaraha
सर्वे यत्र विनेतारः
सर्वे पंडितमानिनः
सर्वे पंडितमानिनः
सर्वे महत्त्वमिच्छन्ति
सर्वे महत्त्वमिच्छन्ति
तद्वृन्दमवसीदति.
तद्वृन्दमवसीदति.
Fine.